Sneaky cat snag. Sneaky cat snag.
Save fuel. Alright guys, so passports are loaded. Bags are not packed because I don't want to weigh anything down. And we're headed to good old Mexico tonight. So some guy, we don't really know him. He seems like a cool dude though, but he wants to kind of test out where his Camaro's at. And there's not too many street cars I can kind of keep up with him is what I've heard. He's got a turboed F body. I don't know what motor's in it. You know what motor's in it? Probably an LS or something, I don't know. It's a turboed F body Camaro. So we'll show it to you guys when we get there. He's on slicks, so we won't be doing a dig race. But we're gonna do like a 40 to like 140 roll in Mexico, of course. We don't really go to Mexico often, but I'm tired of it. I am fucking tired of it. Everyone was messaging us really late last night, so we don't know how Kevin's car will do, but it'll be interesting to see how it'll do from a roll with his car. So we'll probably jump on him real good, and it'll be a good race after that because we're a blower and he's turboed, so Kevin's blower is gonna hit instantly. So we'll see what happens. We'll show you guys his car. I think his name's a Boss. We'll show you guys his car when we get there, so you can kind of get an overview of what his car's about, and we'll see what happens. Thoughts? Pack your passport, bitches. Just so you know, we're in eco mode. We're not changing it either. So Kevin hasn't aired up his tires since the tracking. We don't drive them much right now, but he's gonna add some airing right now. Got about like 22 to 25 PSI, just so we're not running around on 15 PSI. But if you guys don't know, we'll go over Kevin's mods real quick. It's just a 275 upper, 9.3 lower, cat delete, obviously, headers, E85, injectors, pumps. Pretty basic if you ask me. So stock motor, stock trans, stock blower. Nothing crazy, guys. Just so if you're wondering, if you haven't subscribed yet, you don't know what we have. It's a pretty basic car. Pretty much bolt-on E85 and a tire. See what happens.
What's going on, man?
Woo.
You got all the big guns out tonight.
Seriously, shit.
I don't know.
Whatever you think.